Hey everybody, welcome to my new Tech Tip Tuesday. I probably won't be able to keep this up every week, but I would like to try at least a couple of times a month to give you guys a tech tip that you can access straight from your classroom. Today, something I did in class was we were doing SMART goal quizzes, and I turned a slides presentation into my assignment, and I did that using master slides and graphing. I'm going to show you the actual presentation. Okay, so this is the presentation that I created for my students, and what I did was I made master slides with a background of my choice, and they can't change anything in the background. So you see, if I click on the prompt, the equation, or the graph, I can't move any of those. However, I can move the dots to go ahead and graph with. Okay, this isn't correct, I'm just showing you an example. And then they can also select their line tool and adjust it to the right slope and give me a graph. This is a great way for them to practice using online tools manipulation, and you can make it work with whatever you're doing. So you could have, if you're lower level, sorting by color, have a purple box and sort all the purple things here, all the red things here, whatever works, patterns, but you create this master slide. So the way that you do that is you go to slides and you edit the master. I'm getting rid of their stuff, and I'm going to put my own in. Okay, so you can change it to whatever you want. Okay, and whatever I do here becomes the background of my slide, and they can't change it. They can't move it, they can't delete it. So if there's stuff that you want them to be able to move on top of, like if you're graphing, say, integers on a number line, you can put your number line here and have them plot their points on a number line. So you can insert any pictures that you want into the background. That's what I did. Search the web, and I say coordinate plane, and then I just find one that I like and throw it in there. So I didn't choose one that was labeled because they don't label them for the EOC. They just give them the grid. They have to make up their own. But if this is the one I wanted, I can put it here, and then I can create as many master slides as I need. So on mine, I put my equations in here, and then I duplicated this, which you can do by saying Control D, and it gives you another one right here. So it gave me this exact same thing. Now all I have to do is enter a text box and say equation 1, and in this one I'm going to put text box equation 2. So whenever I'm done, I can close out, and I can go back and edit those anytime. So this is the first one that I chose. Then whenever I do this, I have, this is the first one, title slide 1. I also have title slide, and then title slide 1. So this is equation 2. This is equation 1. Can't move any of these things. If you're doing history, you could put a map of the United States and have them, or of the world, whatever, and have them label the countries, the states, whatever, and they just would drag the words. So on mine, on the other one I have here, the other one that I created, I gave them a little more that they had to do. This one, they're solving systems of equations. So on these are their movable objects. They also have to insert their work here using the camera on their Chromebook. So after they show their work, if they have any, this one they wouldn't. On this one they might. So anything that they show on their paper, they come up here, they insert. We've practiced how to do this in class, but then they just crop it down and put it here for me, and then they can just graph straight from here. I should have made movable objects non-movable, but right here, drag them where you want them. That's it. Okay. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's a nice way to practice some of those things that they will have to be able to do on state testing, and you can form it to whatever you're working on in class. So that's my tech tip for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions.